Little Storyteller.
Percy Penguin was a very happy penguin with fluffy black and white feathers and bright orange feet. He lived in a cozy ice house near a sparkling blue sea. Percy loved to dance, and he loved the Arctic Idol show on Ice TV. The judges on Arctic Idol did fancy moves with their flippers and waddled with style. One sunny morning, Percy had a wonderful idea. "I will make Learn the Judge Moves DVDs," he chirped. These weren't just any DVDs. They were fish-shaped cookies, with yummy blue icing that showed how to do the moves. Each cookie DVD came with a little toy microphone, just like the Arctic Idol judges used. Percy worked very hard. He baked many fish-shaped cookies. Then, with careful wiggles, he used blue icing to draw arrows and dots on each cookie, showing the dance steps. He packed each cookie in a little box with a tiny, shiny toy microphone. Soon, all his friends came to buy Percy's Learn the Judge Moves cookie DVDs. There was Rosie Rabbit with her long floppy ears and soft white fur. There was Finley Fox with his bushy orange tail and playful grin. And there was Bella Bear with her round, cuddly body and sweet smile. Rosie Rabbit nibbled the icing on her cookie, following the blue arrows with her nose. Finley Fox held his toy microphone and practiced waddling like a judge. Bella Bear giggled as she tried to copy the flipper moves. They were all having so much fun learning the dances. Percy Penguin watched his friends happily learning and dancing. He felt a warm glow in his heart. It made him very happy to share his love of dance with his friends. He learned that sharing something you love can bring joy to everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.